Good morning, sir.
Okay, Manisha, good morning. Hmm. You was late, why?
सर एक तो पता नहीं था जो आज होगा या नहीं होगा, और ज्वाइन हो ही नहीं रहा था। मैं 30 तारीख वाली लिंक पे कर रही थी तो।
Okay, give me one moment.
ओके सर।
मैं लिंक ही भेज देता हूँ क्लास। Okay, Manisha, my turn on your video camera.
ओके सर।
Okay, Manisha, introduce yourself.
My name is Manisha Kumari. Presently, I am study at Nalanda College of Engineering in Chandi. In second year in fourth semester. My roll number is 90 CS 57. My university registration number is 19105109037.
Okay. Okay, Manisha,
Yes, sir.
tell me, what is the meaning of mutual exclusion?
सर म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन का मतलब ये होता है कि एक बार जब हम एक प्रोसेस को शेयर करते हैं तो एक बार में एक ही प्रोसेस होगा, बहुत सारे प्रोसेस एक बार में नहीं होगा। वन टाइम में एक ही प्रोसेस हो सकता है।
ओके ओके, अगर हम एक सिंक्रोनाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम है जिसमें एक बाइनरी वेरिएबल लॉग का यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, और
यस सर।
उस एक बाइनरी वेरिएबल से हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सिंक्रोनाइजेशन को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं। ओके, in that
यस सर।
scenario, what problem it may causes? Will it be synchronized properly or there will be any kind of problem?
सर वो सिंक्रोनाइज यूज कर सर, वो तो अगर हम बाइनरी यूज कर रहे हैं तो उसमें तो 0 1 लेना पड़ेगा, और जब 0 रहेगा तो वो हमारा सिंक्रोनाइज नहीं होगा, मतलब अनकम्प्लीट हो जाएगा ना वो प्रोसेस, और जहाँ 1 रहेगा वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा।
Okay. Tell me, uh, tell me about deadlock, the
सर
necessary condition for deadlock to occur.
सर नेसेसरी कंडीशन ऑफ डेडलॉक अकर 4 नेसेसरी कंडीशन। पहला है म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन, दूसरा है होल्ड एंड वेट, और तीसरा है नो प्रीएम्पशन, और चौथा है सर्कुलर वेट।
Mohammad Shahzad, turn off your video camera. Shahzad, okay. Tell me a deadlock prevention mechanism in which we are breaking the deadlock by preventing hold and wait condition.
सर अगर कोई प्रोसेस मतलब जिसका उसका रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, जितना रिसोर्स वो लेके जाता है, पहला वो चला जाता है। और सेकेंड में अगर दूसरा कोई प्रोसेस उसी टाइम पे आया तो उसको, पहला तो वो हो रहा है और दूसरा आप वो तो होल्ड है, फिर दूसरा आया तो वो उसको वेट करना पड़ेगा।
Okay. Tell me what is the difference between contiguous allocation and non-contiguous allocation?
सर ये तो भूल गया सर, क्योंकि पता नहीं था कि आज होगा तो रिवाइज भी नहीं
Okay,
किया।
okay, okay. Um, can you tell me anything about client server system?
क्या सर?
Client server system. You
क्लाइंट
have
सर्वर
studied about
सिस्टम?
microlithic kernel,
यस सर।
and in that there is also one type of system which is client server system. I was asking about client server system.
सर क्लाइंट सर्वर सिस्टम के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, पर मैक्रो कर्नल पढ़े हुए हैं।
एक्चुअली पिछले वाइवा में माइक्रो कर्नल बहुत पूछा गया था।
सर एक्चुअली पढ़ा, मतलब सारा पढ़े हुए थे लेकिन वो भूल गए, इस वीक में रिवाइज किए ही नहीं, क्योंकि पता नहीं था इस मंडे को होने वाला था। आप अचानक से सडनली मैसेज कर दिया
मैंने
तो मैं तो।
पोस्टपोन सस्पेंडेड का मैसेज भेजा था ना, तो आपको समझना चाहिए था उस वीक के लिए सस्पेंडेड है, नेक्स्ट
सर
वीक में होगा।
हाँ पता था सर, बट आप बोले थे मैसेज ड्रॉप आ जाए, मतलब मैसेज आ जाएगा कि आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम कब होगा।
ओके चलिए ठीक है, यू कैन स्विच ऑफ योर वीडियो कैमरा। ओके, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग यू लिंक फॉर टुडेज अटेंडेंस, काइंडली फिल इट अप आल्सो। Kindly check the chat box. I have provided you link for today's attendance. Manisha Kumari, fill it
ओके
up.
सर।
Mohammad Shahzad Alam. Shahzad, are you there, Shahzad Alam? You are joining the class, but you are not responding. Shahzad Alam. Shahzad Alam, are you there?
सर मैं लीव कर सकती हूँ
Yes, yes,
क्लास?
you can leave the class, Manisha. Okay, Sajad, due to unresponsiveness, I am considering you as absent.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Sajad, your voice is little bit low.
Hello. Good morning, sir. Hello.
Uh, Change the headphone or anything else because your voice is low. Sajad.
नेट सर नेटवर्क इशू हो सकता है सर एम आई ऑडिबल
No, you are not audible.
सर सर तो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा आपका आवाज आ रहा है क्लियर
Yes, now I am getting your voice. Okay, Sajad, introduce yourself.
सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर माय नेम इज मोहम्मद सजाद आलम presently I am studying in Nalanda College of Engineering. My registration number is 191051090939 and my class roll number is 19CS44.
Okay, Sajad, tell me about time sharing operating system.
So time sharing operating system. Time sharing operating system.
Third generation.
Sir,
Time sharing
third,
operating system.
time sharing operating system. सर नहीं पता सर हम डेडलॉक पढ़े हैं और तबीयत खराब था पिछले हफ्ता एक ये 15 दिन से इसलिए सिर्फ डेडलॉक अभी तैयारी की
क्लासेस आपकी अप्रैल से चल रही हैं.
यस सर अब पढ़े तो उधर भूल गए
Don't give me
सर
excuse. Other give me answer. Don't give me excuse. Okay. Now come upon to the module 2. Tell me what are the various types of semaphore?
सर वेरियस टाइप ऑफ सीमाफोर यस टाइप सीमाफोर सर 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 अभी रिकॉल नहीं आ रहा है सर याद याद पढ़े
Counting semaphore, binary semaphore.
यस सर टू टाइप ऑफ सीमाफोर काउंटिंग सीमाफोर एंड बाइनरी जो बाइनरी में 0 1 होता है और काउंटिंग में इन्फिनिटी तक होता है पॉजिटिव
Okay, tell me if the counting semaphore value is -5, then what
Yes,
it
sir.
means?
सर मीन्स 5 is executing
Executing.
execute 5 means 5 number is execute
Okay, come upon to the module number 3rd. What is various types of attribute of PCB?
सर PCB is process control block stand
Okay.
for and is data structure it stores in all the information about data.
Okay, what are the various states of process?
So PCB process various state process सर याद नहीं आ रहा है
Okay, now come upon to the module number 4. Tell me that if I have m types of resources
yes
and
sir
n number of process, then what is the size of allocation matrix?
sir m number of
M types of resources and
Yes.
n number of process. Listen very carefully. M
M.
types of resources
Yes,
and
sir.
n number of process. Now I am asking you, what is the size of allocation matrix in Banker's algorithm?
Bankers. Sir, Bankers algorithm is resource allocated deadlock avoidance algorithm.
I just want to know the size of the matrix of which is known as allocation matrix.
Sir,
In
yes.
Banker's algorithm, I just gave you a hint that allocation matrix is related with Banker's algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the size of that matrix?
नहीं पता है.
Okay. There is one algorithm in deadlock ignorance, which is known as ostrich algorithm. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me anything about that?
Sir, ostrich algorithm is a strategy of ignorance, potential problem of that may be excluding.
No
Sir,
need to tell your answers in English. If you are comfortable with Hindi, then you can give the elaboration also in Hindi.
सर ये स्टडी ऑफ इग्नोरेंस पोटेंशियल प्रॉब्लम दैट मे बी एक्सीडिंगली मीन्स एक इग्नोर करता है प्रॉब्लम को, ये स्टिच एल्गोरिथम.
ये तो मैंने ही बताया कि ये डेडलॉक इग्नोरेंस है. यू हैव टू टेल मी अबाउट द ऑस्ट्रिच एल्गोरिथम.
यस सर.
Okay. Now the last question is from module number 5. Tell me what is the difference between segmentation and paging?
सर सेगमेंटेशन एंड पेजिंग सर कैन रिकॉल, अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है सर.
Okay, thank you.
सर प्रिपरेशन ये आप एक बार एक ले लिए और हम तैयारी किए हुए थे. फिर
I think I have given you schedule on 21st of June.
Yes sir.
And after 21st of June, you can count the number of days, that how many days I have provided you. And now you are telling me that I had taken suddenly. Just count the number of days.
Sir, revise करने का
I am
time
providing you the link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up.
Yes sir, thank you.
Thank you, Sazad.
Thank you, sir.
Sumit Kumar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sumit, turn on your video camera.
Yes, sir.
Sumit,
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Sumit,
sir, I am Sumit Kumar, currently pursuing at Nalanda College of Engineering, Chandi, and my registration number is 1910 510 9042, and my branch is CSC.
Okay, Sumit, tell me what is the difference between paging and segmentation? I'm starting from module 5.
यस सर. पेजिंग में जो पार्टीशन करते हैं वो सर फिक्स्ड करते हैं, फिक्स साइज का, और सेगमेंटेशन में सर रैंडमली करते हैं. और पेजिंग सर इनविजिबल होता है बट सेगमेंटेशन विजिबल होता है. सर और बोल रहे सर.
Okay. Now tell me, do you know what is the meaning of static linking?
Sir, two types of linking, dynamic and statics.
Yeah.
One process सर एक प्रोसेस दूसरे से सर लिंक रहता है स्टैटिकली.
स्टैटिक लिंकिंग कब होता है, मतलब प्रोग्राम के किस फेज में स्टैटिक लिंकिंग की जाती है?
स्टैटिक लिंकिंग सर.
Okay. Now next question is about deadlock. I am just giving you a situation that I have only one process in our system. Whether it is possible to have a situation of deadlock in this scenario?
सर ओनली वन प्रोसेस है, अगर उसके लिए अवेलेबल सर है रिसोर्सेज तो डेडलॉक नहीं होगा सर.
Okay. Now tell me deadlock handling method. Just you have to give me the name.
यस सर, डेडलॉक इग्नोरेंस जिसको ऑस्ट्रिच एल्गोरिदम भी बोलते हैं,
Okay.
उसके बाद डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस,
Okay.
डेडलॉक प्रिवेंशन
Okay.
और रिकवरी,
Detection and recovery.
डिटेक्शन एंड रिकवरी। यस सर।
Okay. Now come upon to the module number 3. Can you tell me what is PCB?
यस सर, पीसीबी इज स्टोरेज जो कि प्रोसेस का इंफॉर्मेशन सर स्टोर करके रखता है, जैसे कि प्रोसेस आईडी, प्रोसेस की प्रायोरिटी, प्रोग्राम काउंटर और फाइल।
Okay,
यस
there is one information or attribute, as you informed me also, that program counter is there.
यस सर,
What it holds? What is the information is held by program counter?
प्रोग्राम काउंटर सर,
Yeah.
इंफॉर्मेशन सर सर।
Okay. Now come upon to the module number 2. Uh, can you tell me that what are the basic requirement for synchronization?
बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर सिंक्रोनाइजेशन।
Yeah.
प्री
Okay, I'm just giving a hint. There is one requirement known as progress. There are three
यस
requirements, and one requirement is progress.
प्रोग्रेस सर, सिंक्रोनाइजेशन उतना अच्छा से याद नहीं है सर।
Okay. Now come upon to the module number 1. Uh, can you tell me, just give me the name of various types of operating system?
यस सर, सर रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम,
Okay.
बैच ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम,
Okay.
मल्टी मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग
Okay.
एंड मल्टी लेवल,
Um,
मल्टीटास्किंग।
multitasking.
यस
Okay. What is multitasking operating system?
सर, मल्टीटास्किंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में सर रेडी क्यू सर अलग अलग होता है, जैसे कि सर एक में जैसे कि हाई प्रायोरिटी का प्रोसेस रखा जाता है, उसके बाद उसका लो कैटेगरी सर रहता है, मोर देन वन रेडी क्यू रहता है सर।
Okay. Last question from you. Tell me, can you give me a formula or relation between waiting time and turnaround time?
यस सर,
Yeah.
वेटिंग टर्न अराउंड टाइम सर कंप्लीशन टाइम माइनस अराइवल टाइम,
Okay.
और एंड वेटिंग टाइम सर टर्न अराउंड टाइम माइनस कंप्लीशन, टर्न अराउंड टाइम माइनस कंप्लीशन टाइम। नो सर, बस टाइम।
Okay.
यस
Okay. Thank you, Sumit. I'm providing you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up.
थैंक यू सर।
Okay. After filling up the attendance, you can leave the class also.
ओके सर।
Hmm. Apurva,
Yes, sir.
switch on your video camera. Okay. Apurva, introduce yourself.
So my name is Apurva Mishra. I am from Computer Science branch, and my registration number is 19105 19105109046, and my roll number is 19CS15.
Okay. Okay, Apurva, tell me that about the batch operating system.
So batch operating system batch operating system have a many works to do in branch wise. So I think so. Have a many works to do in a branch wise is a batch operating system.
What is the meaning of branch here?
So branch is called to different types of process to do. जैसे सर कि if different type of process to do, सर किसी process का अलग work होता है और किसी उसका बहुत सारा अलग उसका काम बहुत सारे अलग अलग process को handle करना होता है and have a सर थोड़ा confusion है इसमें.
Batch operating system first came, it is a first generation operating system. Do you know
Sir.
about this? Okay, Apurva, come upon to the next question. Tell me, there is one solution for the synchronization problem, which is known as
Yes, sir.
Peterson solution.
So synchronization process. Sir, can you repeat this question?
My question is about the Peterson solution.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me about that Peterson solution?
So sorry, sir. I don't know about that.
Okay, now come upon to the next question, which is related with requirement of synchronization. Can
Sir,
you tell me about
synchronization. Sir,
requirements
इसमें
of
क्या?
synchronization?
So is this a critical section and race condition and mutual exclusion and process and process synchronization, mutual exclusion, and critical condition uh, and
आईपीसी में जितने
ba-
भी चीजें पढ़ाई गई आपने सारी चीजों का नाम ले लिया. सिर्फ 3 सिंक्रोनाइजेशन की नीड है: म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन, प्रोग्रेस
yes, sir.
एंड बाउंडेड वेट.
Progress. Yes, sir. Bounded waiting and
Okay.
bounded waiting.
Can you tell me in detail what is the meaning of progress?
सर प्रोग्रेस में क्या होता है कि एक कंडीशन इफ वन कंडीशन इन इनसाइड द क्रिटिकल कंडीशन देन नो अदर कंडीशन विल इंटर. सर वो उसको ब्लॉक कर देगा. अगर एक कंडीशन उस क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में है तो दूसरे कंडीशन को वो आने नहीं देगा. वो ब्लॉक कर देगा उस कंडीशन को.
Okay. Bipin, turn off your video camera for right now. Apurva, come upon to the next question. Tell me about wait for graph.
So wait
Wait for
for
graph.
Sorry, sir. Note about that.
Have you heard about resource allocation graph?
No, sir.
Okay. Tell me, there is a technique known as deadlock avoidance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Deadlock avoidance, deadlock ignorance, deadlock. Sir,
No, you have
technique
to tell
about
me a detail about deadlock avoidance. What is the meaning of that?
sir in this avoidance. सर डेडलॉक पे जो भी प्रॉब्लम होता है उसको अवॉइड करके फिर अवॉइड करता है डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस और उसके बाद इसमें एक सर एक डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस में एक बैंकर्स एल्गोरिथम जो है वो डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस को इम्पीडेंस करता है.
ओके. बैंकर्स एल्गोरिथम में ही एक मैट्रिक्स होता है which is known as allocation matrix.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the size of that allocation matrix?
So no, don't know about that.
Okay, come upon to the last module, which is the question is from that is there is one problem known as Biledi anomaly. Can you tell me about that?
No, sir. Delayed analysis.
Page allocation policy. Have you read about something?
No,
Page
sir.
allocation.
I don't. No, sir.
Okay, okay, Apurva.
Yes, sir.
Today's Viva is over for you. I'm providing
Okay,
you
sir.
link for today's attendance. You can fill it up.
Okay, sir.
You can turn off your video camera. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Vipin, switch on your video camera, Vipin.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Vipin.
Good afternoon. सर एक्चुअली अपडेट नहीं था सर, इसीलिए थोड़ा लेट हो गया था.
Okay, no issue. Vipin, introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Vipin Kumar. Currently, I am studying in Nalanda College of Engineering, Chandigarh. My branch is Computer Science Engineering. My roll number is 19CS47 and registration number is 1910510941.
Okay. Okay, Vipin, can you tell me about what difference between process and program? Difference between process and program.
Sir, program is a active and progress is a passive. That's all about program and process.
Okay. It is very short. Okay, now come
Sir.
upon to the next question. There is a CPU scheduling algorithm known as FCFS. Can you tell me
Yes,
any
sir.
problem related with FCFS?
प्रॉब्लम सर क्वेश्चन बोलना है मैं.
Now my question
सॉरी
is
सर,
my question is about problems. You have to tell me what is the problem related with FCFS CPU scheduling.
सर नो आइडिया सर.
Have you heard about the convoy effect?
Yes, sir.
I taught you in the related with FCFS, and that is a problem related with that. Okay, there is one CPU scheduling known as round robin.
Yes, sir.
If there is a terminology related with round robin is known as time slice. If the value of time slice will be very less, okay, time slice value
Yes,
is
sir.
very less, then what will the behavior of this round robin? What is the impact on this?
Sir, preemption, sir. The behavior is preemption, and from ready to running state it will go.
Ready to running state. Okay, come up on to the next question, which is related with IPC. Can you tell me what is the meaning of cooperating process?
Yes, sir. Cooperating process, the cooperating process which will affected or affects the education of another process in the process in the जो कि अपना भी अफेक्ट होता है और अफेक्टेड भी करता है another process सर.
Okay. What are the requirements for synchronization?
Sir, first of all mutual exclusion and progress bounded weights.
Okay. Tell me what is the meaning of bounded waiting here?
Sir, if the resource is not free, then no process can enter in the critical section.
Okay. So what is the relation with the bounded waiting here?
Oh, sir, it should time should be finite, sir. If any process can enter in the critical section, which should be finite.
Yes. Finite waiting time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come upon to the end of questions. I'm asking you this last question. Can you tell me what is the important characteristic related with operating system? What is the most important characteristic of operating system? Yes, Bipin.
Characteristics of operating system. That is the most sir, can't explain, sir.
Okay, Vipin, your Viva is over. I'm providing you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up. Thank you and have a nice day. After
Thank
filling
you,
up the
sir.
attendance, you can leave the class. Shivam Anand, are you there? Shivam.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your video camera. Okay, Shivam, introduce yourself.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself, Shivam.
Sir, I am Shivam Anand from 2K19 batch.
Anything else? What is your credentials, Shivam?
Sir, what?
What is your credentials? Like, what is your university registration number, roll number, anything else?
Sir, my registration number is 1910-510-9044. My roll number is 19CS18 and my university is AKU, Aryabhat Knowledge University.
Okay, Shivam, tell me, what is the meaning of monolithic kernel?
Sorry, sir, repeat the question.
Question is, what is the meaning of monolithic kernel?
Monolithic kernel is a type of kernel, sir. Like kernels are something which work inside the operating system.
Anything new or anything relevant you want to add about monolithic kernel? It is a kernel, I know. It is a part of operating system, I know. Anything extra or technical you want to add here?
No, sir.
Okay. Shivam, next question is, what is process? What is process?
So process is like when we run any program in operating system, then it goes through different process. Process are something which like it is for operating system. Process are the part of operating system, and the operating system, I mean, it is the steps which through which a program is run
Okay,
in the
what are the
operating
different
system.
state of a process? What are the different states of a process?
So there are about 5 process type stage of process. One is when the operating system is running, and if any other process is going through, then the another process will be in queue process. One is one is queue process, another one is while it is running, it's running process.
Okay. You just know about there are 5 states of a process. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what is the meaning of dining philosopher problem?
Sorry, sir, I don't know that.
Okay, and now come upon to the there is a problem related with Peterson solution, which is known as spin lock. Can you tell me about that? What is spin lock?
No, sir.
Okay. Now come upon to the next question. What is the meaning of circular weight? What is the meaning of circular weight? Shivam,
Hello.
what is the meaning of circular weight? We have 4 necessary and sufficient condition for deadlock to happen. There is one condition which is known as circular weight.
I
Tell
don't
me
know, sir.
about that. Okay, next question is, tell me about contiguous allocation of memory. Contiguous allocation. Okay, Shivam, I am providing a link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Saurabh Kumar, are you there?
ऑनलाइन वाली चले.
हाँ बोलो ना. क्या? Okay, Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh, you are not audible. Saurabh, you are not audible. Okay, Ankit, are you there? Ankit.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Turn on your video camera.
Yes, sir. One second.
Okay,
Good morning, sir.
Ankit, yes, good afternoon. Introduce yourself, Ankit.
Sir, my name is Ankit Kumar. I am from Kishanganj, Bihar. Currently, I am studying in Nalanda College of Engineering, Chandi. My roll number is 19CS14 and registration number is 19105109048.
Okay. Okay, Ankit, tell me what is the meaning of deadlock avoidance?
Sir, deadlock avoidance is It tells about banker's algorithm. Sir, when the deadlock happens, simply we check when the process given to when the any resource given to process, we check it is safe or unsafe.
Okay, you tell me, talk about safe and unsafe state.
Yes.
Which type of state can go into the deadlock state, whether it is safe state or whether it is an unsafe state?
Sir, unsafe states.
What is the meaning of unsafe state?
Unsafe state means when the resource able is not able to give any resource free to any allocate resource.
Okay. If there are safe state in deadlock allocation or banker's algorithm, if there is a possible set of safe states, can there be a possible number of safe sequence can be more than one? Safe sequence that can be more than one, or it should be restricted to one only?
So it can be more than one, sir, I think.
You think, or are you sure about that?
I think so, not sure, sir.
Okay, tell me about best fit allocation policy.
So the base fit production, we check in the continuous memory allocation that less internal fragmentation occurs, so that the given process size must equal to the size of memory. Try to fit like this.
Okay. What is the meaning of here internal fragmentation?
So internal fragmentation actually means when the execute process size is less than the available space in memory size, then there is a small piece of memory free space. That is called internal fragmentation in continuous memory allocation.
Okay. What is the difference between SJF and SRTF?
So SGF is in non-preemptive case, sir, where the
Okay.
SRTF is preemptive case.
Okay. What is the meaning of context switching here?
Sir, context switching, sir, refers in switching. It refers the CPU to switch the process related to sir short-term scheduler. In this, sir, in this condition, sir.
No. I think context switching happens in each and every CPU scheduling algorithm.
Yes.
What is the meaning of context switching there? Okay, come upon to the next question. Can you tell me anything about interrupt?
Yes, sir.
Ankit.
Interrupt. Yes, sir. Interrupt is a signal, sir, which can be happened by the software or hardware, both the cases.
If a process is running,
yes.
if a process is running and another process want to interrupt that, in that case, what will happen?
Sir, if any process deadlock can happen.
Deadlock can happen. Okay, Ankit, I am providing you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up. Thank you and have a nice day. After filling up the attendance, you can leave the class. Rajan Sharma. Yeah,
क्या
sure.
मेरा कोई हेल्प नहीं होगा?
Yes, Saurabh Kumar, introduce yourself.
हाँ सर, सुनने में दिक्कत होता है सर.
सुनने में दिक्कत होता है
जी.
Yes, so what we can do? Okay, I will think upon to the solution. Saurabh, I'm providing you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it. तो आप क्लासेस कैसे करते होंगे सौरभ? रेगुलर क्लास
क्लास
आप
कर पाते हैं तो मगर कुछ सुनते हैं कुछ नहीं सुनते हैं।
तो क्लास करते हैं तो सुनते नहीं है तो फिर क्या होता है? ठीक है, आप अटेंडेंस फिलअप कीजिए सौरभ, वी विल थिंक अपॉन दैट।
वो तो ठीक है सर।
Rajan, are you there? Rajan Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Switch on your video camera. Okay, introduce yourself, Rajan. Good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Rajan Kumar. I am currently studying in Nalanda College of Engineering, and my roll number is 19CS16 and registration number is 191 051 090 49.
Okay. Okay, Rajan, tell me about real-time operating system. Can you give me any detail about that?
Okay, sir. सर इसमें लार्ज नंबर ऑफ
Okay, can you give me any example where we are using a real-time operating system? Any device, any situation where we are using real-time operating system?
Sir, Linux.
Linux. Is it an example of real-time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How you think that this is an example of real-time? Which property you want to refer?
Sir,
that
it can handle large number of
Okay, now come upon to the next question.
Okay, sir.
There is a dual mode of operating system. Working of operating system happens in dual mode. Can you give me just the name of those two modes?
Sir, kernel mode and user mode.
Okay, very good. Can you tell me anything about kernel mode?
Sir, kernel is a core of everything operating system. It connects application to the actual processing of data. It manages softwares and hardware.
Okay, just one question from the kernel mode. Can interrupt occurs while we are operating in kernel mode?
Can you repeat the question, sir?
My question is, can interrupt occur while system operating in kernel mode?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come upon to the next one. That is not possible to have an interrupt in a. The right answer is no, it is not possible. Come upon to the next question. Can you just give me the names of state of a process?
Sir, ready state. Sir, ready state होता है.
Okay.
Block state.
Okay.
IO state.
I think you are forgetting about one of the important state. Running state, new state, exit state.
Yes,
Okay, Rajan, there are schedulers. Can you just give me the names of these schedulers?
Sir, long term, short term, and middle term.
Long term, short term, and medium term.
Middle term. Yes, sir.
Where short term scheduler works,
Yes, sir.
in which process there are 5 processes state. One is new, second is ready, third is running, fourth is blocked or waiting, fifth is exit. You just tell me where short term scheduler works.
Sir, between ready state and execution state.
Execution, are you referring this to the running state?
Yes, sir.
Execution? Okay, very good. Now come upon to the next question. There is a contiguous allocation of memory. What is the meaning of that?
Sir, in contiguous.
Okay.
Sir, can you repeat the
Okay,
question?
I'm changing the question. Can you tell me what is the meaning of compaction exactly? What is the meaning of compaction? Or what is the work of compaction?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay, Rajan. This is the end of today's Viva. I'm providing you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up, and after filling up the attendance, you can leave the class also. You can switch off your camera.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Nikhil Kumar,
Good afternoon, sir.
switch on your video camera. You are not visible, Nikhil.
Now video, sir.
Still a black screen is them. Is it light issue at
सर
your
मेरा लैपटॉप से
room?
कैमरा खराब हो गया, मोबाइल से कनेक्ट कर सकता हूँ? Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, you can connect from the mobile also.
Can I video, sir?
Yes, yes. Now Nikhil, you are visible. My voice is echoing. एक जगह से उसको ऑफ कर दीजिए. Okay, Nikhil, introduce yourself.
My name is Nikhil Kumar. I am currently reading on the CSC branch of Nalanda College of Engineering, 4th semester. And my roll number is 19CX61. And university registration number is 19105109050.
Okay, Nikhil, I have a question for you. That what is the meaning of starvation? Starvation. Okay, come upon to the next question. Can you tell me what is the meaning of convoy effect? Convoy effect. Okay, Nikhil, come upon to the next question. Sarjeet, switch off your video camera. Sarjeet. Nikhil, next question for you is
Yes, sir.
if we have two process in our system and we have only one resource, okay, we have two process in our system and we have only one resource, and that resource is a single instance, मतलब एक ही instance है उस resource का. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं कि whether it is whether it is possible to have a deadlock in this situation. Two process, one resource, type of resource is single instance. Question is whether it is possible to have a deadlock in this scenario.
Two process, sir.
Yeah. पॉसिबल है डेडलॉक या नहीं है निखिल?
सर पॉसिबल है, सिंगल इंस्टेंस है.
सिंगल इंस्टेंस में पॉसिबल है?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what is the meaning of wait for graph?
Wait for graph.
Okay, there is a page allocation policy known as LRU. Can you tell me about that? निखिल, किसी भी मॉड्यूल में आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं है. मैंने आपसे 4 मॉड्यूल अभी तक पूछे हैं, आप किसी भी मॉड्यूल में कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, किसी में जवाब नहीं आया. Okay, question from the last question for you, that can you tell me what is the use of operating system? Use of operating system. You are not audible. Nikhil, you are not audible.
ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का यूज करते हैं विंडोज को लेने के लिए, वर्क करने के लिए विंडोज. जैसे कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम अलग अलग तरह का होता है, लाइनक्स, यूनिक्स.
ओके निखिल, आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू थोड़ा स्टडी कीजिए. सब कुछ पढ़ा दिया जा चुका है. प्लीज डू सम स्टडी. I have provided you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up. Sarjeet Kumar, are you there? Sarjeet Kumar. Okay, Sarjeet, introduce yourself. You are not audible, Sarjeet. Still not audible. आप माइक वो है जो ईयरफोन है उसको निकाल दीजिए. पता नहीं. Still not audible. Not audible.
Sir, computers.
Yes, Nikhil, you can leave the class also. Yes, Arjit, switch on your video camera. Little bit you are audible now. Am I audible to you? But you are still not audible. There is some issue, Sarjit.
Hello.
Yes, now I can hear you. Yes, Sarjit, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Sarabjit Kumar. I currently studying in Nalanda College of Engineering, and my branch is Computer Science and Engineering. And my roll number is 19CS04, and my registration number is 1910 510951.
Okay. Tell me about LRU page replacement policy.
LRU, please. Sir, I can't recall this, sir. I have not studied about paging, sir.
Okay, it means module 5 we haven't studied. Now come upon to the module number 4. Tell me about what are the various deadlock handling techniques we have.
Sir, first one is deadlock ignorance, deadlock avoidance, deadlock recovery, and one is
deadlock prevention.
Deadlock prevention, yes, sir.
Okay, Shaljit, my next question is about a situation. There is a situation that in which we have two process. Listen it very carefully. We have two process. We have only one resource, and we have only one instance of this resource. Single instance resource. Okay. Now my question is, in this situation, whether it is possible to have a deadlock.
Sir, if both process are requiring the resource at a time, then this situation is for deadlock.
Either that process will be allocated to P1 or P2. यहाँ पे आपका जो नेसेसरी कंडीशन है, जो कि सर्कुलर वेट है, वो तो कभी बनेगा नहीं ना, तो कैसे यहाँ पे डेडलॉक होगा? इज इट पॉसिबल? सर्कल कभी बन पाएगा क्या वहां पे?
नो सर, सर्कल नहीं बनेगा, बट फिर भी पर एट अ टाइम अगर दोनों अगर रिक्वायर है सर, दोनों को एक ही टाइम पे सर,
एट अ टाइम। टेल मी व्हाट आर द नेसेसरी कंडीशन फॉर डेडलॉक टू हैपन?
Mutual exclusion and hold and wait, circular wait, and no preemption.
Okay. Now next question is related with dining philosopher problem. Can you tell me anything related with dining philosopher problem?
It is the classical problem of synchronization. In a dining philosopher problem, there is a dining table, and in which around the dining table there are philosophers sitting side by side, and there is some things to eat from the dining table, and from adjacent of each philosopher there is a fox, and each philosopher, if the work of philosopher is to think, and then after it, and after the process of thinking, they want to eat, in the first they have to collect the fox from the left side, and then have and and then after it have collect the fox from right side.
Okay, Sarjeet,
And
next question is from semaphore. There is a semaphore which is known as counting semaphore, and the
Yes, sir.
value of counting semaphore currently is -5. What is the
Yes,
meaning
sir.
of this?
Its meaning is to that there is 5 process which are in the block state.
Okay, now next question is what is the meaning of spooling? Have you heard
Spooling.
about spooled device?
I've heard about, but I can't recall this.
Okay, the question for that also is, can you tell me what is the meaning of interrupt?
Interrupt is the signal by the system, like a condition when interrupt is लाइक जिससे सर मतलब किसी को प्रिंट होना, सर कोई प्रोसेस रनिंग स्टेट में है और उसको प्रिम्पशन चाहिए, तो उस टाइम पे सर जो इंटरप्शन आता है सर प्रिम्पशन होने के लिए, तो वो एक कंडीशन होता है इंटरप्ट, और इस सिग्नल को सर इंटरप्ट बोलते हैं सर.
Okay. Okay, Sarjeet, I'm giving you a link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up. And after filling off that, you can leave the class also. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. सर इन क्लास टाइप में क्या लिखेंगे सर, मतलब क्या टिक करेंगे?
वाइवा लिख दीजिए. लैब, वो तो लैब होगा.
ठीक है.
Okay, Pankaj Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start. Introduce yourself, Pankaj.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, Pankaj, introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Pankaj Kumar. Currently, I am studying in Nalanda College of Engineering, Chandi, and my roll number is 19CS55, and my registration number is 1910510954.
Okay. Okay, Pankaj, tell me what is the meaning of memory management?
Memory management is a scheme which we are used to utilize memory in a very specific manner and
Okay. Tell me anything about optimal page replacement policy.
sorry, sir.
Okay. Now come upon to the problem related with storage. One problem is known as external fragmentation. Can you tell me about that?
Yes, sir. It's occur on variable allocation technique, yeah, dynamic allocation technique. It especially occur in non-contiguous allocation memory technique.
But what is external fragmentation here? What is the meaning of
External,
that?
sir, if the size of process is more than the size of a specific block, then it's external fragmentation.
Okay. Tell me, if we have two processes and we have a multi-instance resource type situation.
Yes.
And if there is a formation of a cycle in that, then what you can deduce from this situation? What is the information you can give me?
So we say it deadlock situation.
It is a deadlock situation?
Two resource or more than two instance.
Yes, yes. More multi-instance resource type. It means
Yes,
that
sir.
one process, one resource can have multiple instance. It can have 4, 5, 6, 7 multiple instance it can have.
I don't understand it clearly, sir.
क्लियर क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर मल्टी इंस्टेंस रिसोर्स टाइप है, वहां पे
Yes,
साइकिल का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, तो डेडलॉक
Yes, sir.
पॉसिबल है या नहीं पॉसिबल है, या क्या आपका स्टेटमेंट है?
The circular weight platform.
Okay, come upon to the next question. There is one solution of synchronization which is known as Peterson solution.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Can you give me any detail about that Peterson solution?
Yes, sir. It is suitable for two process, and its condition is to satisfy mutual exclusion, and it is free from synchronization. Yeah, I think.
Free from synchronization.
Yes, sir.
सिंक्रोनाइजेशन का ही तो सॉल्यूशन है वो.
No, sir.
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. दैट इज रिलेटेड विथ प्रोसेस. A process has a data structure which is known as PCB. Can you give me detail about that?
Sir, PCB means process control block. It contains information of process, such as process ID, pointers, and PC, and many more.
What is the meaning of PC here?
Process control. It's process control. It contains counter which point the next pointer, which contain the pointer address of next pointer, next address.
Next pointer, next address, next instruction, next
No,
process.
sir,
What?
sir, it point the next address and information.
चलिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्लाइंट सर्वर आर्किटेक्चर?
Client server. Sorry, sir, I don't hear about it.
Okay, I am providing you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up, and after that you can leave the class also. You can switch off your video camera. Muskan, are you there? Muskan Kumari, are you there? Okay, Muskan Kumari, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Turn on your video camera.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Muskan, introduce yourself.
My name is Muskan Kumari. My branch is Computer Science and Engineering from second year in fourth sem. My roll number is 19CS02 and my registration number is 19105109058058.
Can you tell me anything about second generation operating system?
Second generation operating system 1965 से 1955 से 1965 के बीच में हुआ था.
इसको क्या नाम दिया गया था सेकंड जनरेशन को?
नहीं पता.
पहले वाले को बैच ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कहा गया था. सेकंड वाले को क्या नाम दिया गया था?
इंटरैक्टिव.
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दो मोड में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वर्क करता है. कैन यू टेल मी जस्ट द नेम ऑफ दोस टू मोड? उसमें से एक आपका यूजर मोड होता है, दूसरा मोड का क्या नाम है?
यूजर मोड और कर्नल मोड.
कर्नल मोड. ओके, यूजर मोड में मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, यूजर मोड में क्या इंटरप्ट ऑकर हो सकता है? यूजर मोड में क्या इंटरप्ट ऑकर हो सकता है?
नो सर.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मेरा, देयर इज अ टर्म known as PCB. Do you know about that? PCB.
PCB
Yes.
प्रोसेस से रिलेटेड जितना भी इंफॉर्मेशन होता है वो पीसीबी में स्टोर होता है।
वेरी गुड। कौन कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन होता है? कैन यू टेल मी?
पीसीबी में प्रोग्राम काउंटर,
वेरी गुड।
प्रोसेस ऑफ ओपन फाइल्स एंड रजिस्टर्स और
ओके, आपने कहा प्रोग्राम काउंटर होता है, क्या स्टोर करता है प्रोग्राम काउंटर?
इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर करता है नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस का।
नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन का, प्रोसेस का नहीं, नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन।
सॉरी सर, इंस्ट्रक्शन।
ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। देयर इज वन सीपीयू शेड्यूलिंग एल्गोरिथम which is known as SJF. Can you tell me about that? SJF.
SJF
Yes.
जो प्रोसेस होता है उसमें जो प्रोसेस होता है उसमें वो जो प्रोसेस होता है उसमें एसोसिएटिव होता है उसका बर्स्ट टाइम।
बर्स्ट टाइम तो होता है। एसजेएफ में क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है कि हम नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस को सेलेक्ट करें? क्या क्राइटेरिया हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं एसजेएफ में? शॉर्टेस्ट जॉब फर्स्ट, इसका फुल एब्रिविएशन है।
यस सर।
क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है? बस क्राइटेरिया आपको बताना है। ओके मुस्कान, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है रिलेटेड विथ पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन। कैन यू टेल मी एनीथिंग अबाउट पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन?
सर रिपीट कीजिए।
पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन क्लासिकल।
पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन, पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन, पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन में only two process and only one share resource वर्क करता है।
ओके, क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपका पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन का? पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन का कोई प्रॉब्लम है? पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन का कोई प्रॉब्लम है, डिसएडवांटेज?
सॉरी सर, याद।
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है दैट इज रिलेटेड विद डेडलॉक। टेल मी, देयर इज टू टाइप ऑफ स्टेट, one is safe state, another is unsafe state. Which is probable to go into the deadlock? Safe state deadlock में जा सकता है या unsafe state?
सेफ स्टेट में जा सकता है।
श्योर?
तब उसका एलोकेशन होगा।
डेडलॉक में कौन जा सकता है, सेफ स्टेट या अनसेफ स्टेट?
सेफ स्टेट जाएगा।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पेजिंग एंड सेगमेंटेशन?
पेजिंग डिफरेंट, जो प्रोसेस होता है वो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में ब्रेक होता है और वो पार्ट सेम टाइप का होता है, तो वो पेजिंग होता है। और जो सेगमेंटेशन जो प्रोसेस होता है, वो जो पार्टीशन होता है वो प्रोसेस पार्टीशन
डिफरेंट साइज का होता है।
हाँ, डिफरेंट साइज।
Okay, I'm giving you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up. After that, you can leave the class also. Ricky Raj, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Switch on your video camera.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ricky Raj, introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Ricky Raj. I am currently studying at Nalanda College of Engineering, 4th semester. My roll number is 20 DCS 07 and my registration number is 201051099901.
Okay, Ricky, my first question from you is there is a problem known as Biledi anomaly. Can you tell me about that?
Biledi anomaly. No, sir, I haven't studied.
Okay, there is a one linking which is known as static linking. Can you tell me about that?
Static linking.
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay, come upon to the next question. There is a graph which is known as resource allocation graph.
Yes, sir.
What can you tell me anything about that?
Sir, resource allocation graph actually shows that resource which is allocated to a process.
From resource allocation graph, how we can create the wait for graph?
What, sir?
From resource allocation graph,
Yes,
how
sir.
we can convert it into the wait for graph?
Sir, sorry, sir, no idea of this.
Okay, next question is from next module, which is related with synchronization. Tell me, what is the principle of mutual exclusion?
Sir, mutual exclusion means, sir, one resource can't be shared with many processes at the same time, which is mutual exclusion means the resource should be mutually exclusive.
Can you tell me any particular resource which is mutually exclusive, entirely mutually exclusive?
Sir,
okay, come upon to the next question. What is third generation of operating system?
sir, third generation of operating system.
Yes.
Sir, is it a multi-processing operating system?
Okay, tell me about that.
Sir, in multi-processing operating system, there are more than one processors present in the system, which can execute more than one process at the same time. So this will increase the performance of the system.
Okay, Ricky, Raj, I'm giving you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up and do some study.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay,
You
thank you.
can turn off your video camera also. Vipul Kumar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Switch on your video camera. Okay, Vipul, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Vipul Kumar. I am from Bihar, Patna. Currently studying in Nalanda College of Engineering. My branch is Computer and Science Engineering, and my roll number is 201051099902.
Okay. Tell me, what is the meaning of client-server architecture?
Client server architecture. Yes, sir. ये जो मॉडल है ना, क्लाइंट सर्वर मॉडल, ये माइक्रो कर्नल के जस्ट बाद बनाया गया था. स्लाइटली वेरिएशन माइक्रो कर्नल में डालने के बाद आपका मॉडल को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया गया था, जिसमें एक सर्वर मॉडल होता है और एक क्लाइंट मॉडल होता है. सर्वर मॉडल जो होता है ना, वो सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है और क्लाइंट मॉडल उस सर्विस को यूज करता है. और दोनों के बीच में जो कम्युनिकेशन होता है ना, कम्युनिकेशन मैसेज पासिंग थ्रू किया जाता है, और इसी पूरे मॉडल को क्लाइंट सर्वर मॉडल आर्किटेक्चर बोल सकते हैं.
Okay. Next question for you is tell me the detail of program counter.
प्रोग्राम काउंटर सर पीसीबी में एक प्रोसेस का क्या बोलते हैं, एट्रीब्यूट बोल सकते हैं. प्रोग्राम काउंटर कंटेन करता है एड्रेस ऑफ द नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन जो एग्जीक्यूट होने वाला है. जो भी प्रोसेस होता है वो आगे वाला प्रोसेस को एग्जीक्यूट करने का जो एक स्पेसिफिक एड्रेस होता है वो स्पेसिफिक एड्रेस प्रोग्राम काउंटर स्टोर किए हुए रहता है।
Can you tell me what are the different types of scheduler?
Yes, sir. Total 3 types of scheduler present in the computer system: long-term scheduler, mid-term scheduler, and short-term scheduler.
Long-term scheduler डिग्री ऑफ मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग को कंट्रोल करता है?
Yes, sir. Long-term scheduler कंट्रोल करता है डिग्री ऑफ मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग को। डिग्री ऑफ मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग को स्टेबल रखना कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में सर बहुत जरूरी होता है, जिससे ये पता चलता है कि एवरेज वेटिंग ऑफ द process entering in the computer system should be equal to the average rating of the processor terminating from the computer system। दोनों को एवरेज जो होता है ना सर, रेट को स्टेबल रखने के लिए डिग्री ऑफ मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग को जो लॉन्ग टर्म शेड्यूलर होता है ना वो कंट्रोल करता है।
Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of spill lock?
No sir, spill lock.
What is the meaning of priority inversion?
Priority inversion.
Yeah. For the hint, priority inversion के लिए मैं एक आपको हिंट दे रहा हूँ। It is related with Peterson solution.
सर पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन तो सर शेयर्ड लॉग वेरिएबल और टर्न अराउंड टाइम शेयर्ड लॉग वेरिएबल और एक दोनों को कंबाइन करके पीटरसन डिस्कवर किया था पीटरसन सॉल्यूशन को।
Okay. Next question is for you is there is a technique known as Banker's algorithm for deadlock avoidance.
बैंकर्स एल्गोरिथम डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस में यूज किया जाता है सर। इसमें मैट्रिक्स को फॉर्म किया जाता है, जैसे रिमेनिंग मैट्रिक्स, एलोकेशन मैट्रिक्स, मैक्सिमम मैट्रिक्स, मैक्सिमम नीड एलोकेशन, ऐसे ही करके इसमें डेडलॉक कैसे अवॉइड किया जाए और उसको डिटेक्ट भी उसी समय हो जाता है। जैसे रिसोर्स मतलब कौन से प्रोसेस को कितना रिसोर्स चाहिए और वो उतना रिसोर्स हमारे पास अभी अवेलेबल है या नहीं है, वो मैक्सिमम नीड मैट्रिक्स से पता चल जाता है और इससे हम लोग डेडलॉक को डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि वो होने वाला है या नहीं होने वाला। इस तरह से डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस हो जाएगा बैंकर्स एल्गोरिथम को यूज कर।
Okay, last question for you is can you tell me anything about Biledi anomaly?
No sir.
Okay, I'm giving you link for today's attendance. Kindly fill it up and thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you sir.